Welcome to our first 3D print lab in Vadodara, Gujarat. We are very excited about this new installation at the Welcare Hospital. The idea here is that you can see that you can have a pre-operative planning where the patients can understand their surgical plan, not only in 2D but also when you have a VR headset here, they can see the 3D and understand the patient's anatomy and see exactly how their pre-op and post-op models or surgical plan would look like. We also have a VR device. Along with the VR device, we also have a 3D printer here, wherein you can see here that we are 3D printing an actual anatomy. So what you see here is a hip model that is being printed of one of the patients, where we have a pre-operative plan as well as the post-op and how exactly the reaming would look like. So these are all the things we can do once we have a 3D printer, VR and a plan. Our backend team really supports and ensures that everything runs smoothly, and we have a virtual backend that is supporting them with this 3D printing. So we're very excited to launch this 3D print lab, and we welcome you to also join us or reach out to us if you have a plan to also install a lab.